Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute baby dolphin. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture.
Our baby dolphin has a head, body, dorsal fin, flippers and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, body, dorsal fin, flippers and tail. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the body and head. Just spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. We are gonna draw a sideways letter S. I start over here, come up and right, down and right, and stop. Now we're gonna draw the beak. Draw sideways V shape over here. I start over here, go left, curve, and go right and down.
Good job! You're doing great!
Then let's draw the bottom of its body. Draw a long curve from here to this line. Now we're gonna draw the dorsal fin. I start over here, go up and right, curve and connect with the body. Now we're gonna draw the flippers in the middle. Now we draw a long line. I start over here on the beak, draw a curve down, then up, and draw a long curve and connect with this line.
Okay, good job. Take your time, don't rush. Pause the video and continue when you are ready.
Then we're gonna draw the flippers in the middle. Sideways V shape over here and here. Then let's draw the tail. Draw big C shape over here. Then draw a dot in the middle over here.
Oh, good job! I like your line. Our dolphin is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great.
And draw two S shape from that point. Here and here. Now let's draw an eye. Draw a circle, then another circle inside, then two small circles here, and let's color big circles and leave these little circles white. Oval for blush. Let's add some details. Let's draw some spots here and here.
Wow, you drew your baby dolphin so well. I like it. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
Now I choose dark blue for this part of dolphin. I'm tracing again. And coloring inside, then tracing again,
Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it.
And coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines.
If you missed a spot, fill in it with color.
Then I choose pink for blush. Tracing again and coloring inside. Light blue for spots. Oh, and dark blue for tail. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Light blue for spots over here.
Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing your baby dolphin. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Also, you can download the coloring page in my Patreon for free. All links to social networks in the description under the video. Love you, bye bye!